Hi, in this video we are going to show you how to make a form in Microsoft Word. So you can have a survey that you are going to do to a target person that can be for professional or business or personal purposes that you need to send a form to person that will return back it to you. So you can conceive a most elaborated form in Microsoft Word so that your target person can easily fill a form. So to make a form in Microsoft Word, you need to go in the tab developer. So is the tab developer is not yet appearing in your Microsoft Word. You just need to go in file. When you are on file, go on option and then click on customize the ribbon. So when you click on customize the ribbon, you should add developer here in this main tab. So then click on OK and you will see the tab developer. So we have, for example, this simple form that we are going to send to our, our sample in order to fill it. So the first is the short name of the person. So you can insert a text control content. So to insert the text content control, you just need to click on this icon of the letter A. So you click on it and the respondent of the form will be able to add the surname here. So you can also add the name by using the same text control. So the date, for the date, you can add this uh, date control, content control. So this symbol, this icon here, you click here and you can make have a possibility to choose the particular date, or for example the date of today. So you can for gender use the checkbox for male and female. So you go in front before the male category, select this checkbox. Use checkbox content control. So you will have the possibility to check male or female according to your gender. So you can also put your age here. So using text control. So you can also have need to ask for education, and here we can use this drop down list control in order to put the education. So we choose this icon and we can select here, and after selecting this uh, drop down control, we go on property here, click on properties, and then we can add a modality of education. So I have, for example, primary. I have primary and value of primary 1, and click on OK, and click on add secondary. Secondary, the value is 2, and click on OK, and then the last education can be college. the value 3, then click on OK. So I forgot no education. For example, we can have person that have no education. We have here no education, and the value is 0. Then click on OK, and no education has been added. So I can select no education and move up to the first position. So then click on OK. When we go on this drop down board, we have possibility to choose among no education, primary, secondary, or college. We can also ask a text box in order to put the phone number. So the last step in this form is to add a restriction editing. So you go here in restrict editing. So we have the possibility to restrict the formatting restriction, limit the formatting to the selection of style, and also start enforcement. So if you are ready to apply this setting, you can turn them off later. So we will focus on editing restriction. We click on allow only the type of editing in the document. So we have the by default option is no changes, read only. So that's not what we want. So if you select this option, the respondent will be obliged just to print and ask, and that is not our objective. So it allows the respondent to comment the, to fill a form, to just fill a form, not modifying text on the form, just filling the form. So you select the option fill the form, and then we just click on yes, start enforcing protection. So we have the possibility to post a password so that if people want to unrestrict the editing, we need to put the password in order to modify. So I will put the password and re-enter the password to confirm, and then click on OK, and you can see that I'm unable now to modify to edit my form, just filling the form. Show name, can put the show name, the name. We can add the date, for example the date of today. We can select male gender. We can put age, for example 33. We can add education, college. We can put phone number. So that's it for this tutorial, and we hope it have very well helped you understand how to create a form in Microsoft Word.